Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on the Facebook application on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook or the Facebook Lite application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the login screen where you can enter your credentials or sign up to create a new account. Now in order to log into your existing account, just type in your email address or your phone number associated with your account, and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. Finally, click on the login button and you will now be logged in to your existing account on Facebook application right away. And once you are logged in, you will be able to continue using your Facebook account on the application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Facebook application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.